hope the farmer doesn't mind us taking a shortcut through his garden.
I'm sure it's okay, as long as we're mindful of his plants.
But there aren't any plants. It's just soil.
Huh. Well, I wonder what normally grows here.
Shh! Freeze!
Freezing commenced.
Do you hear those footsteps?
New friends' footsteps, maybe?
Or angry farmer's footsteps? It's hard to tell.
Kia ora, I'm Darwin, and this is my little sis Newts. Kia ora!
Kiwi, ngeru.
What are you kids doing out so late at night? Well, I mean, so early in the morning.
We were going to look at the stars of Matariki through my telescope.
They're our favourite stars.
Same! But we have a problem. We lost the telescope. Somewhere around here.
If only it wasn't so dark.
If only.
We'll help you find your telescope, Darwin and Newts.
Niharo! Awesome!
Do you guys live here?
No, we're just staying at our Uncle Kahu's kūmara farm for the school holidays.
Kūmara! That's what usually grows here.
I knew it.
But it's all been harvested by Matariki.
Which is why the garden is empty.
Right! I wish I could show you the Matariki stars with our telescope. We could show you Tupuānuku.
Tupuānuku.
The Tupuānuku star looks after the earth and all that grows in it that we can harvest. Like kai, food, rongoā, medicine, and kākahu, clothing. It's the star connected to the soil, making sure it has everything it needs so plants grow big and strong. And don't forget the wriggly Noke, Darwin. Right, Newts. The wriggly earthworms aerate the soil when they wriggle and make it easier for the plants to grow too. I like to wriggle.
Same.
Now, where is that telescope?
Kia ora, my friends. What are you up to this fine evening/early morning?
Kia ora, little Noke. We're trying to see the Matariki stars. But I lost my telescope somewhere in the dark.
And we're hoping to help them find it.
Say no more. You know, I'm very good at looking for things.
Ow!
Aroha mai. I didn't see you there. Actually, do you mind if I do a quick karakia to ngā whetū first? Kei ngā whetū, tīra maramanuku tīra maramarangi, tēnā te mea ngaro ka hura, ka whakamaua kia tēnā, haumi e, hui e, taiki e. Now follow me. Let's find that telescope. Sorry, team. I can't seem to find your telescope, which is super weird because I'm usually amazeballs at finding things. I guess we could look by that large metal tube with a magnifying glass at the end.
Titiro! Look! My telescope! Ngā mihi, Noke!
Don't mention it.
Ka pai Noke. And while you were looking for the telescope, you aerated the soil for the next planting.
You are very welcome.
Would you all like to come to our Matariki party?
Yes, please! You can have some of Uncle Kahu's kūmara from the storage pits if you like. They make great chips.
I love kūmara.
Same. They're one of our top 4 vegetables this year. Hey, Ngeru,
I know. You want to follow the lucky manu.
you know me so well, e hoa.
Matariki is connecting us on a whole different level, my friend. Uh-oh.